Welcome back to my channel. Is peanut butter harmful or healthy for diabetics? When it comes to managing diabetes, diet plays a crucial role. One common question that arises is whether peanut butter is a friend or foe for those monitoring their blood sugar levels. This creamy or crunchy staple, found in pantries around the world, is often under scrutiny in diabetic diets. In this blog post, we'll dive deep into the nutritional aspects of peanut butter and its effects on diabetes, helping you understand whether it should be included in your diet. What is peanut butter? Peanut butter is essentially made from ground peanuts, often with added salt, oil, and sometimes sugar, to enhance flavor and texture. It's popular for its rich, creamy taste and high protein content. However, the nutritional content can vary significantly between brands, especially between commercial and natural varieties. Nutritional profile of peanut butter. Peanut butter is packed with several key nutrients. Protein. It is a good source of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Healthy fats. It contains monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, known to be beneficial for heart health. Fiber. Provides dietary fiber, which helps in digestion and prolonged satiety, which is crucial for weight management. Vitamins and minerals. Includes vitamins like vitamin E and minerals such as magnesium and zinc. Impact on blood sugar. The glycemic index, GI, of peanut butter is low, approximately 14, meaning it doesn't cause significant spikes in blood sugar levels. This makes it a relatively safe choice for diabetics when consumed in moderation. The combination of fiber, fat, and protein also aids in slowing the absorption of carbohydrates, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you full longer. Benefits for diabetics. 1. Heart health. Diabetes increases the risk of heart disease, so maintaining a diet with heart-healthy foods is vital. The monounsaturated fats in peanut butter can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. 2. Weight management. Obesity is a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes. The protein and fiber in peanut butter can help control hunger, which assists in weight management. 3. Blood sugar control. As a low GI food, peanut butter does not spike blood glucose levels rapidly, making it a good option for glycemic control. Considerations and potential risks. While peanut butter has its benefits, there are a few considerations for diabetics. 1. Calorie density. Peanut butter is high in calories, with about 188 calories per 2 tablespoons. It's important to consume it in moderation to avoid excessive calorie intake. 2. Added sugars and fats. Many commercial peanut butters contain added sugars and hydrogenated fats. It's healthier to choose natural or raw peanut butter with no added sugars or oils. 3. Allergies. Peanut allergies are common and can be severe. If you have a peanut allergy, you should avoid peanut butter entirely. How to include peanut butter in a diabetic diet. Here are some diabetic-friendly ways to incorporate peanut butter into your diet. With whole grain toast, spread it on whole grain toast for a balanced breakfast. As a dip, use it as a dip for apple slices or celery sticks for a nutritious snack. In smoothies, add a tablespoon to your protein-rich smoothies for enhanced flavor and nutrition. In recipes, use it in recipes like peanut butter chicken or peanut sauces for salads. Peanut butter can be a healthy addition to a diabetic diet when chosen wisely and consumed in moderation. Opt for natural peanut butter without added sugars or fats, and keep an eye on portion sizes. As with any dietary changes, it's a good idea to discuss with your healthcare provider or a dietitian to ensure it fits into your overall diabetes management plan. Remember, the key is balance and moderation to manage your health effectively. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe.